Judge Susan Ilston, a Clinton appointee, granted a preliminary injunction building on her temporary restraining order, or TRO, that stops the Trump administration from carrying out the RIF's reduction in force of some 4,000 workers. Now, it extended the effect of her TRO, and let's recall our TRO and PI standards. TRO's temporary restraining order, PI preliminary injunction standards, they are the same. You need irreparable harm, you need a likelihood of success on the merits, some other things, but those are two crucial elements, and they are the same. A TRO is temporary, meant to freeze things until there's time to sort it out, time to fully brief the matter, time for a hearing, perhaps with live witnesses, so the court can make a more informed decision at this early stage. But importantly, the standards are the same because these are early on. You have to make some predictions about what is the possible harm, what's the possible legal outcome, and both will stay in place while litigation continues. Right now, we don't have the written order yet, but that's forthcoming because the judge ruled from the bench. Perhaps that was because the Trump DOJ lawyers' arguments were so underwhelming, even though they had 2 weeks to improve from their loss at the TRO hearing, which was 2 weeks ago. Didn't make much of a difference for those 2 weeks, maybe because they don't really have any better legal arguments. No real legal justification for their trying to use the government shutdown to further their anti-government agenda, or perhaps better put, anti-human agenda. So the judge said in the hearing on Tuesday that the illegality, which accounts for the likelihood of success on the merits for the plaintiffs, the employees, is that the driving force of these RIFs has been, quote, political retribution. And that's key because that's not a valid reason for the RIFs. And what really struck me here is the real human cost that this judge, this court, listened to. Among the ways that this evidence was given to the judge was some declarations by actually affected federal employees.